Hello, welcome to Statistics. My name is Ileana Vasu, and I will be your professor for this course. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself, and then I'm hoping that in a post that you're going to have to do next week, you're going to introduce yourselves to the rest of your classmates. So I've been teaching mathematics full time for about 20 years. And aside mathematics, I like hiking and running, and I have a cat named Abby. And if you're wondering a little bit about my accent, I was born in Romania, although I've been here for a number of years. A little bit about the class and statistics. So you're all enrolled in this class because I presume that, well, A, you may have an interest in statistics. B, you may be needing it for your major. So what is statistics? So if you were to Google that in the internet, you'll find something about like statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data. So fundamentally, statistics really starts with asking a question. And what we're going to learn in this class is how to ask good questions, questions that can give you answers. If we have a question, we're going to need to design a study. So we're going to need to collect some data, and collecting the data could be, say, we have a survey and we collect the data, or we design an experiment to collect the data. And once we have all this data, we want to organize it. And so we want to organize it, and that organization could be done through, let's say, graphs or tables, or we could have like bar graphs, like a histogram. And then what do we do with these things? After that, we're going to want to analyze it. So some familiar measures that you might know from elementary school are like mean, median, and mode. So those measures are measures of center. And then aside from that, there's measures for variability, like how spread the data is. And once we've done that, we have some results, and we want to interpret the results. So we want to say, well, what does this data tell us? And how can we use it to make informed decisions or to make new discoveries? So why is statistics important? Well, you guessed it. Statistics permeates every single aspect of our lives. It might have been different if I asked this question maybe 20 years ago, but today you see how much information is out there. So from opinion polls to clinical trials to biometric security to insurance policies to data from social media, statistics is everywhere. So it helps us understand the information, and it prepares us for future studies. And it's relevant to disciplines in health sciences and social sciences and environmental science and business and engineering, and the list goes on. And statistics, maybe it's appealing also because fundamentally it is about people as a group. It's, I am my own individual, and I am singular, and there's no other person who's, like me. But statistics makes statements about us as a group, as a society. If you want to do this when you finish watching the video, you might want to go into Google and type in study finds. So if you type in study finds into Google, there's going to be a gazillion things that come up. So look at the types of studies that are out there. So of these studies, we know that some are more reliable than others. So in this class, you're also going to be able to, after taking this class, to really make informed decisions about which studies are ones that are reliable and which ones are ones that are not. So I hope you have a wonderful semester. Right now, at the end of the video, you're going to have a chance to go to Moodle and look up your syllabus And also there's going to be a little link to post some introductions about yourself. So I look forward to working with you the rest of the semester. Bye.